Okay, to create your 1-point perspective, to continue with your practice, if you need help with your steps, they're up there. And let's just start with the box that's on the top. And you're gonna line up your ruler and create your guidelines from the corner, every corner that's not overlapping another space. And you're going to line that up and draw. You're gonna put the ruler on the corner, put the ruler on the vanishing point, and draw that. Then, if you really want your object to look like it's extremely going far into the distance, then you can take and place you have to draw the bottom of your object, and if you will lay your ruler here parallel, slide it down, go between the two guidelines, and then turn your ruler this direction, and come back to where this one stopped and line it up and then draw that, then you will have a correctly drawn, very, very deep going into space shape. Okay, then you're gonna move over to this shape. Same thing, you're gonna line your ruler up on the corner and the vanishing point. Then you're gonna move that ruler here again and put it on the vanishing point, and one more. Then you're going to take your ruler. You can do the side first or you can do the bottom first. And I know that that's considered the bottom because this is your horizon line. So this is above it. So that makes that the bottom of your object. The closer you put the line to the original side, the shorter your object's going to be. And then you turn it and pull down. Make sure that your points are touching where that stopped. This one starts, and then that's going to create that side and bottom. And then with what I just did, even though they have the squares and the rectangles, I made one that went really far into the distance, into the space, creating more of an illusion of depth. Now this one is actually pretty close to the vanishing point. That also affects how your object looks. Again, you line that ruler up. This is very important that you use your ruler, and they have to be straight because these are geometric shapes that we're working with, and so we have to make them straight, precise, straight lines. So you have to use a ruler for all of your perspective because you're lining up whatever shape it is that you draw to that vanishing point. Again, you can decide if you're doing the side first or in this case the top, and you're going to line your ruler up, pull it back, turn your ruler, slide it back to that line because you have to have a 90-degree angle for all of your shapes. If you don't have a 90-degree angle, then you have not created your perspective correctly. And then, same thing here. I'm going to come right here, connect that one and that one to create real depth and distance in it. Make sure that you put your name on your paper when you're finished. And there's your 1-point perspective.